12. Essential ways to survive a nuclear attack. During World War III, your ultimate guide. Surviving the unthinkable. Your ultimate guide to nuclear attack preparedness. When the unimaginable happens and World War III erupts, knowing how to protect yourself from a nuclear attack is crucial. Here are 12 essential tactics to increase your chances of survival. 1. Stay informed. Always have a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to receive updates and instructions from authorities. In the chaos of a nuclear event, communication channels might be disrupted, and this could be your only reliable source of information. Keep extra batteries on hand to ensure you're always connected. 2. Identify shelter locations. Know the nearest fallout shelters in your area. Basements and underground areas provide better protection from radiation. The deeper and denser the shelter, the more protection it offers. Public buildings, underground subways, and designated fallout shelters can provide significant shielding. 3. Stockpile essentials. Ensure you have a supply of non-perishable food, water, medications, and first aid supplies. Aim for at least 2 weeks' worth of essentials. Water is critical. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. Non-perishable food items include canned goods, dry cereals, and protein bars. 4. Create an emergency kit. Your kit should include items like flashlights, batteries, a multi-tool, warm clothing, and sanitation supplies. Additionally, include important documents, maps, and communication devices like walkie-talkies. A well-prepared kit can make a huge difference in an emergency. 5. Understand fallout. Fallout is radioactive debris that falls from the sky after a nuclear explosion. Seek immediate shelter to minimize exposure. The first few hours after a nuclear blast are the most dangerous. Remaining indoors and away from windows significantly reduces your risk. 6. Seal your shelter. Use plastic sheeting and duct tape to seal windows, doors, and vents. This can help reduce the infiltration of radioactive particles. Create an airtight environment to keep out as much fallout as possible. Sealing your home might be the difference between life and death. 7. Stay indoors. The first 24-48 hours are critical. Stay inside to avoid initial radiation exposure. The walls of your home can provide some protection. If you have a basement, that's the safest place to be. Avoid going outside unless absolutely necessary. 8. Water safety. Avoid consuming tap water until authorities declare it safe. Use bottled water or water from sealed containers. Radiation can contaminate water supplies, so it's essential to have a backup plan for safe drinking water. 9. Radiation. Detection tools. If possible, have a Geiger counter or similar device to measure radiation levels. This helps you make informed decisions about when it's safe to venture outside. Knowing the radiation levels can prevent you from making dangerous choices. 10. Plan for evacuation. Have a plan in place for a safe evacuation route. Keep your vehicle fueled and a map handy, as GPS services may be unavailable. Know multiple routes to avoid potential obstacles. Have a predetermined meeting place for family members. 11. Décontamination. If exposed to fallout, remove your outer clothing and wash your body thoroughly with soap and water to remove radioactive particles. Decontamination can significantly reduce the amount of radiation you absorb. 12. Stay calm and connected. Panic can lead to poor decision-making. Stay calm and try to communicate with family and friends to ensure everyone's safety. Establish a communication plan with loved ones. Stress and fear are natural, but managing them is crucial for survival. Be prepared. Stay safe. Preparation is key to surviving a nuclear attack. By following these guidelines, you can significantly increase your chances of protecting yourself and your loved ones during a nuclear event. Remember, staying informed and having a plan can make all the difference. In times of crisis, knowledge and preparation are your best defenses. Stay safe and stay ready.